Giovanni Battista Arnaud was born Valgrana, 1853, died Caraglio, 1910. He was a well-renowned Italian painter of frescoes. He mastered as well the chiaroscuro technique. His work can be found in many churches, palaces and public buildings in different regions of the north of Italy, as well in some churches of France and England. He is also recognized as a great portraitist. He carries out various works of fresco painting in several of Piedmont churches, such as the Maria Vergine Parish Church in Roccavione, the Church of San Giovanni Battista in Caraglio, the Sanctuary of San Mauro in Busca, the Santuario della Madonna della Divina Provvidenza in Peveragno, the Parish Church of San Martino in Valdieri, the Sanctuary of Bealetto in Entracque, and the San Pietro and Vincoli Parish in Limone Piemonte.